guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial demo on the new Ardell magnetic lashes. I'm not sure when they actually came out, but I was at my CVS store getting some makeup for my freelancing and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get these right away because I don't know about you guys, I struggle so much with putting my lashes on. It is actually the hardest thing to do when applying my makeup, and the reason for that is because I'm allergic to lash glue. And I just spat everywhere. I've tried a ton of different lash glues and none of them seem to work. There's one in particular that is not as harsh to my eyes. It's called Lash Adhesive with Aloe. So that one seemed to work. Also, there's another one, the one that I'm currently using, which is the Kiss Ever Easy Lash Adhesive, and that seems to work the best. If you guys are allergic to lash glue, I recommend to get these. If I don't have to use glue, I would be totally stoked. It would change the game in my makeup routine. So the lashes that I got were the double wispy lashes, and we're just gonna open them. No lash glue required. Can you imagine, guys? You literally just pop them on. Take less than a couple seconds. It would be amazing. All right, so here are the lashes. They look like this. They're so pretty. Double wispies are usually the ones that I get. Hello. Look how pretty they are. So I'm gonna be applying the magnetic lashes on this eye and the glue-on lashes on this eye, and you guys let me know which one you like most, and we'll see how this goes. So most of the time I have to cut my lashes because my eyes are pretty small, and oh, I can already see it's like magnetic. You see it's like attached to. That's so cool. That wasn't the sneeze. I lost it. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool, guys. Okay, let's just kind of demo this. This is so cool. Alright, so the magnet works and they are magnetic. Holy crap, look at this, look at this. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, oh my god, wouldn't that be amazing? I don't know if I should curl my lashes. Should I curl my lashes? Because then it makes sense, right, to curl the lashes? I hope you guys can see. Ooh. How does... Actually, you know what? I'm having issues because the tweezers is making the lash stick to it. What I'm gonna do is, this is a magnet, isn't it? No, it's not. Okay, so I'm gonna use these plastic little eyelash pliers. Damn. Okay, Tweety Lee. Girl, I'm gonna leave all her information here. This is a girl that saved my life. I've been doing this wrong, and I've seen a couple other people do it wrong too. As you can see here, there is a upper and an under. So you're supposed to put the upper lashes on top of your lash line and the under on the bottom part of your lash line. Okay, so we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay, don't give up, don't give up. You're fine. You're doing excellent. You see, just be confident. Just be confident. Alright guys, I'm gonna apply mascara really quick because I think that might help a lot. And then we'll go from there. Oh my gosh, guys, I think I did it. Oh my gosh, this looks so much better than with the regular lash. That was the trick, putting mascara on first. I'm not sure if you guys can see if there's like a gap in between. I don't know if you can see that or not. I definitely recommend to put a little bit of liner right underneath. But look how pretty this looks, guys. But that actually worked. I didn't even read the instructions. I'm such an idiot. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other. I know that these are Ardell, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And then if you're rushing, it's such an inconvenience to have to wait for the lash glue to dry, and it just sucks. And it's not like hurting my eye or anything. And it feels so lightweight too, it doesn't hurt at all. It's already starting to irritate my skin. It starts to burn. Yeah, this is not a surprise for me because this is usually what I have to go through every time that I put my lashes on. Alright, I think we're done here. Let me just apply a little bit of mascara on the bottom. I think lashes, regular lashes with the glue is amazing, but there's just more pros to having the magnetic lashes. This one is not irritated at all. This one is starting to irritate, and you know, I'm allergic to the adhesive. Alright guys, all in all, if I were to choose between the magnetic lash versus the glue-on lash, I would definitely go with the magnetic. This one is starting to irritate my lid, and it's really bothering me right now, and it's itchy. So I would definitely go with the magnetic lash. You don't have to purchase lash glue. Like if you wanted to go out and you forgot your lash glue, you literally can just pop these magnetic lashes on. No glue necessary. Alright guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other recommendations on what I should film, please let me know in the comment section below, and please make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification button. Let me know which ones you guys liked more, if you liked magnetic or the glue-on lashes. Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys next week with another video.